BOYA BY-V10. Have we found the best and most affordable wireless mic in the market? Let's find out. Before we start, I'd like to apologize for my jagged English. I'm not used to talking this way on a regular basis, but for this video I will, because I wanna reach a wider range of audience for this kind of contents. Now let's jump right into it. So here's the box of the mic, nothing really fancy. Now upon opening it, you'll find your instructions, the receiver, the mic itself, with a 360 rotational clip, and a Type-C cable for charging. Now let's find out how to use this mic. So I'll be using it for my DJI Osmo 4. So for some of these cameras, you'll need to remove this side cover of your camera in order to fit in the receiver of the mic. And now you can just insert the receiver to your camera. When you see the blue blinking light, it indicates that it is ready to be paired to your mic. Now to turn on your mic, you need to press this little button like here for just 2 seconds, and it will pair right away. You will know that it's already connected if those blue lights isn't blinking anymore. You can also see the mic audiometer on my camera, which means the mic is connected. Now to charge the mic, it is pretty straightforward. You'll just have to connect the port to the mic and it should light up red when it's charging. Mine doesn't light up red for now because I've already charged it before recording this video. While you can also charge the receiver, it's not really necessary because it will charge itself when you plug it into your camera. Now here's my helmet setup, and my mic is clipped inside my helmet. So now we'll go test the mic to riding. So here we are in a highway. We're gonna test out the microphone. I'm gonna test out a few different settings for the helmet. So this first one would be with an open visor and turned off noise reduction. I'm gonna count to 10 while riding so that you can see the difference with each settings. So we're gonna start. Again, this is open visor with no noise reduction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're gonna test out with closed visor. Right? So I got my visor closed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right, so that's the test for no noise reduction. We're gonna go back and test out with a noise reduction turned on. Alright, so the noise reduction has been turned on. I don't know if you'd immediately notice a difference. The microphone with noise reduction on, and open visor. So here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna close my visor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so that's the test. And we're gonna go back where we started. Because I still wanna test out something. Alright, so it's on my neck. Noise reduction turned off. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now with noise reduction turned on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that would be the test. We'll see later how everything sounds, and hopefully it's better, and I'll see you later. So here we are on my computer. I just finished editing the video, and in my conclusion, I think the mic sounds decent out of the box. I think it just needs a little tweaking on the settings to make it sound better, but I think it's pretty decent out of the box. So let me know what you think. If you like this kind of videos, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any suggestions or whatever, just let me know. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.